In today's recipe, I am showing you how to make butter biscuit without using oven. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons butter, half cup powdered sugar. Now mix it until it becomes smooth. Once the butter becomes smooth, add 1 cup maida. Mix it. Now using your hands, bring them together. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk and knead it to a soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Keep this aside. Take one pressure cooker. Add some salt in it. Spread it evenly. Place a bowl. Cover it and preheat this for 5 minutes at high flame. Now take a greased plate. Take one small portion of the dough. Round it and flatten it. Now place it on a plate. Similarly, prepare the remaining ones. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Place the plate, cover it and bake this for 15 minutes at low flame. After 15 minutes, our biscuits are ready. Transfer it to a plate and let it cool down. Once they are cooled, look at the bottom, it's perfectly brown. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.